Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shreya and it's the first time I'm doing a voiceover. So let me know in the comments about your feedback on this new format. In this video, I'm gonna be custom painting this 8-year-old guitar, so watch the video till the end to see the whole transformation. First, we need to remove the old strings, so I am loosening up the strings by rotating the tuning keys. Use a pliers or a screwdriver to remove the bridge pins. Remove the tuning keys as it would make much easier to paint the headstock. I don't need this jack plate anymore, so I'm removing this as well. I'm sealing the holes with tape. We won't be painting the bridge and the fretboard, so cover them with a masking tape. Before adding colors, we need to get our guitar primed with white base. So, for the primer, I am using white spray paint, but you can also use acrylic paint or an acrylic gesso. I'm also coating a layer of acrylic color, but this is optional and you can skip it as well. Before painting on the actual guitar, plan and write your ideas, patterns, and draw the design on a paper and decide your color themes. I'll be using pastel colors and some neutral colors. For the base, I'm making a peachish orange sort of shade using red, yellow, and white acrylic color. I'm drawing some patches to paint them with pastel colors. My theme is inspired from nature, so here I am making leaves and will repeat the same pattern with different shades of greens and blues. I'm painting flowers of different shapes and colors. For the headstock, I'll make a rainbow pattern using Vibgyor colors. I'm gonna do an ombre sky look for the bag using pink, blue and black color. Here I'm using a sponge to apply and blend the colors. I'll draw piano keys on the sides and paint them with black acrylic color. And I am making the outlines with a marker. Finish the painting by adding border all over the sides, and yeah, we are done with the painting part. Now let it dry overnight and then we'll move on to the varnishing. I'm applying synthetic varnish using a thick brush. Remember, let the varnish on one side dry completely for a day and then only move on to the other side, else everything will stick to your hands and color will peel off. When you are done varnishing all the surfaces, then leave it to dry for at least 1 to 2 days. After the varnish has dried completely, remove the masking tape. Assemble all the removed parts back to their respective places. To add the new strings, insert the string with the groove in the bridge pin and push it inside the hole by applying pressure with your fingers. Now pass the other end of the string in the hole of the tuning keys and rotate the keys to fix the string tightly. But don't make it too tight, otherwise the string will break and you'll end up hurting yourself. And yeah, that's it. We are done with customizing our guitar. It took a way too longer than I expected, but it has come out pretty nicely and I am quite satisfied with the results. If you like this whole transformation, then give this video a thumbs up, comment below about your thoughts on this custom made guitar, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel for more such creative stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye.